bored. I want to pick a different song. Wake up! Wake up! Entertain me! He's mad at me. Just gonna lay her there. But there's no fun. Wake up.
Why are you making a video?
Because.
Especially when I'm just oh my god.
It's the best guy.
No.
Yes. No, you're gonna take it. No. No. Give it back. No, you didn't want me to hit you in the first place, so give it back.
No, goddammit.
Ouch! That was mean.
Stop.
No, you don't. Peekaboo. This is fun. Let's listen to some Paramore. Sleepyhead. Hey, wake up. Hey, how's it going? No, you gotta say hi to the camera. Say hi. Okay, now say bye-bye. Just gotta go back to sleep.
Still up now.
This is too early for Brittany. It's almost 12. It's like 11:58 a.m. And where's Brittany? Sleep. Don't hate the truth. Oh. Wee. Wee. Don't judge me, Sleepy. Give me my pillow.
No, you threw it at me.
Yeah, I threw it at you. I didn't give it to you.
Well, we had this discussion yesterday.
Exactly. That's why I got the pillow back. Come on, man. No fun. She stole my pillow.
Hit me with it.
After she stole it. I mean, before she stole it. Give me my pillow. Ouch. You see that? She hit me. Ow, my hand. Is it bruised? Okay, just check.
Don't slap you.
You already did. You hurt my hand. You're not gonna slap me. Ouch.
I didn't even touch you, so it was a ow.
Okay. It was a pre-owl.
No, stop it.
I know. I need help. I know.
Yeah. I'm still trying to figure out why you making videos.
Because I'm bored.
You could at least let me wake up first.
Well, this is your wake-up call. Your awesome video wake your ass up call.
I hate you.
No, you don't.
I don't.
But this is not hate. Me down. I don't know what to listen to.
You should listen to the tag.
The what?
The tag.
Oh. Sleepyhead has a request. Alright. No. 3, 2.
No!
Oh god. That was too funny. If I had a stick, I would poke you with it. I have a message. Well, I'm running out of space, so. Hey, she's up! Got like another minute on this thing. This was so rude. Why are you holding the pillow like that? It's threatening. I'm scared.
I hate it. I hope you realize that I need you. You wake me up and put a camera in my face.
That's the way to do it. Wake someone up and put a camera in their face.
No.
Yeah. Where's the non-fun in that?
This is mean. Like,
I don't know about that one.
it is mean because you could have waited until I showered and was like fully awake.
I tried that. I've been up for like 2 hours.
Well, that's the personal issue.
The personal issue is you. What cabs on do you want to hit?
You should play bounce.
Alright. Now that you're up.
Not by my choice.
3, 2, 1. Video